In this video, I'll share how to develop a balanced question paper by managing its levels of difficulty. I am using FBISC's Training Manual for Item Developers as reference. This video walks you through its Unit 2 question paper, its contents, and levels of difficulty. The subtopics are as flashed. Creating a good question paper is one of the most challenging tasks for teachers. Unfortunately, many of us have had little, as it demands understanding and practice, like all other skills. To make it workable for every teacher, Federal Board is taking a step forward by utilizing modern technologies to reach out and help us to understand a cellulose-based examination system and guide us on development of a balanced question paper. First of all, I'll discuss what is a question paper. It is one of the techniques to measure students' learning. Question paper, usually a paper pencil test, comprises of content and levels of cognitive domain given in the desired curriculum. It is meant to give a measure of students' learning accumulated over an academic year. Therefore, question paper must be valid and reliable. What makes a question paper good or bad? The most basic answer to this question is that good tests measure what we want to measure, and bad tests do not. This statement helps us to understand the term validity and reliability, accuracy and consistency, the two main principles of good testing. Ensure that test items are based on standards and the results are accurate. Validity, accuracy of measurement. It states how good a test is in terms of its form, purpose, and for the population it is intended. And on the other hand, reliability, consistency of measurement. It shows that scores are trustworthy and outcome based. A balanced question paper is must as it has consequences upon students' future. Well constructed test items not only motivate students and reinforce learning but also enable teachers to assess the students' mastery of SLOs. Tests also provide feedback on teaching, often showing what was or was not communicated clearly. Therefore, it must be prepared carefully by integrating the curriculum, its strands, and student learning outcomes with the defined levels of difficulty. Curriculum is appropriately divided into content strands as well as in levels of cognitive domain. The paper setter prepares balanced test items by giving due weightage to the levels of difficulty, that is, easy, moderate, and difficult. A balanced question paper for all board classes is developed as per the preferred cognitive levels in each section of question paper. The three main cognitive levels are knowledge, understanding, and application. Knowledge is the lowest level of questions that requires students to identify or recall information, basically in the same form it was presented. Its weightage is 30%. Understanding is the level beyond simple recall. It requires students to combine information to understand the situation. 50% weightage is given to this level. At application level, students apply their knowledge and understanding in a new situation. They analyze and evaluate the information to synthesize, that is, creating something new, and its allocation is 20%. all types of questions, such as easy, moderate, and difficult, in all sections of the question paper. The matching of learning outcomes with certain item types provides a high degree of test validity, testing what is supposed to be tested. This practice helps in setting a valid question paper as well as facilitates different background and all ability ranges of the appearing candidates. You can see the preferred allocation as per the difficulty level to the questions in each section of question paper is given. 30% for easy, knowledge based, 50% for moderate, understanding level, and 20% difficult, that is application level, with a variation of plus or minus 5%. First of all, we will discuss knowledge based. A question belonging to knowledge level may be easy, moderate, or difficult owing to the use of language and demand of the question. On this slide, you can see knowledge based SLO, its meaning, and difficulty range of questions. I have prepared another example for you from knowledge. SLO is described, its meaning is given, and then there are three different levels: easy, moderate, difficult. Similarly, for understanding comprehension level, the questions may not be limited to any specific difficulty level. An example is in front of you. Student learning outcome is contrast, its meaning is given, and there are three different levels: easy, moderate, and difficult. Application level, which is the combination of higher order thinking skills: analyze, evaluate, and create. This table shows two different examples. SLOs are given: suggest and deduce, meanings, questions, and level of difficulty. As we all know, a balanced question paper should spread out across the whole content as per the preferred difficulty levels. Such approach helps in holistic measurement of SLOs. But there is a question that how to ensure this aspect. To ensure equal representation of contents or SLOs, table of specification is prepared. You can see a table of specification on the slide. What is table of specification? It is basically a chart that tells us equal distribution of content. It is also called a blueprint of the question paper. It provides a graphic representation of careful division of the course content, including levels of cognitive domain and proposed weightage. In short, aligning assessments to student learning outcomes is about making sure students build the knowledge and skills they need to succeed. For this purpose, due weightage must be given to the assessment of SLOs. Thank you. Keep visiting website for latest updates and guidelines. Read the given material with understanding, make an analysis of the model papers and challenge yourself. And prepare valid and reliable question papers by using step-by-step approach. Thank you.